I'm standing in what is without a doubt my very favorite split entry floor plan, the Everest by Marchand Homes. You're really going to enjoy this house, trust me. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining me, I'm John Murray, a realtor with Keller Williams Select Realty here in Halifax, Nova Scotia. Now what we do on my channel is I give you full walkthrough tours of new construction homes, beautiful ones like the one I'm sitting in today, and I go over all the new developments and communities so you can find the right fit. So if you're interested in that, or you're thinking about moving, buying, or selling anywhere in the area, do me a huge favor, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification button to make sure you stay up to date and see all these wonderful home tours. I'm here today in the heart of Lost Creek, a premier lifestyle subdivision in Beaver Bank. Now, if you're not sure where this is, we are about 35 kilometers northeast of Halifax. It's about 35-minute drive to the downtown core, so 25 minutes into Dartmouth, and only about 25 minutes to the airport as well. Now, if you're trying to access here, you're going to take the 101 and get off exit 2, and then it's a straight 9-kilometer shot just up Beaver Bank Road. Now, for your daily needs, you're literally only about a 10-minute drive from the main commercial hub of Sackville. That's where your Atlantic Superstore, your Canadian Tire, lots of gyms, movie theaters, restaurants, you name it. It's just a 10-minute drive away. Now, the anchor of this community is definitely the Lost Creek Golf Club. As you can see, I'm standing in front of the sign here. It's an 18-hole public course that's just a 3-minute drive away from most of the new houses in this subdivision. The Lost Creek vibe is definitely about space and privacy, with most lots being wooded and at least 1 acre of space. While it's a planned community, the wide setbacks and winding roads give it a quiet, country-like feel that is perfect for families. Now, when you're in subdivisions like this with lots of acreage outside of the city, you are going to be on well and septic, and as I always say, that's nothing for you to worry about whatsoever. Basically, you can forget about your municipal water bill every month because you're not going to have to pay one. And having a brand new septic system gives you 25 to 30 years of self-assurance as long as you take good care of it and know what to flush down the toilet. Now, lastly, I'm going to put the schools for the neighborhood up on the screen for you to see. And as always, if you have any questions for me at all about the area, just reach out, and I hope you enjoy the home tours. So today is March 5th, 2026, and we're about to check out the Everest floor plan by Marchand Homes behind me. But I wanted to remind you, as always, I don't represent any of the builders on my channel. I have great relationships with them and their listing agents to help you, the viewer, get to see these full walkthrough tours. Now, we are in Lost Creek. They do have some other floor plans available. The Aspen is ready to go. They're building a couple Thicket models, Dan model and a Rebecca model, I believe, but those are always subject to change. Build times are about 9 months. And I want you to remind you that landscaping is not done ahead of time, so you need to factor in a budget to get landscaping done as well. Now we're gonna go check out this wonderful home. I'm super excited to show it to you. If you have any questions, as always, reach out and I'll see you on the tour. All right, so today we're gonna check out the Everest split entry floor plan by Marchand Homes. It's priced at $839,900. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath, double car garage. We're sitting on just over an acre out here where it's currently sitting. Square footage is 2,381 square feet, but I'm telling you, when we get in there, it feels a lot bigger. I can say without bias, this is by far my very, very favorite split entry floor plan. I love this house. I can't wait to go inside. Just a note that Marchand Homes They have 40-year LLT shingles on the roof, and all their windows are Energy Star certified, low E and argon windows. So very energy efficient home. We're gonna go on in because it's cold out. And why don't we, instead of going in the front entryway today, why don't we do things a little bit different? I'm gonna take you in through the garage first, because I think, especially in a winter like this, you would probably use this entryway. So usually I go in the front door, but I want to spruce things up a bit. So we're gonna go on in here. Give you a look around. Nice big double garage. Now your utility room's gonna be tucked in over to the left here. Flip the light on. So you get your hot water tank, everything for your well, and your air exchanger. You're gonna see and notice a pattern in a lot of new construction homes is we're all on electric heat. Depending if they have a ducted heat pump or not, that's gonna be the setup. Here, I believe we're on baseboard with ductless mini splits. So I'm gonna take my shoes off. So when you come out of the garage, you have this nice big mud room with a walkout to your backyard. So we got some locker space here and a nice big coat closet. So you can see why I wanted to start the tour here, because I just think it's practical the way you might live in your house. Especially out here, you know, it is an outdoor lifestyle, so you will track some mud and dirt in. So I would always want to come in through my mud room instead of my nice entryway. You got a baseboard heater there. A window out underneath the stairs, or underneath the deck, sorry. All right, so you have laminate flooring as you come in. I'm standing on tile. Now the first door to the left here is a laundry room. As you can see, your washer and dryer, and you've got a shelf up there. This home is listed by Tracy Stone of Remax, so there's her Remax sign. Tracy's wonderful to deal with. So she's allowed me to come in and show all these homes to you. Now, straight ahead, we have a bedroom. Over to the left is your full bath for the base, or for the downstairs level. We're on slab here, so you know we're above grade, so I don't want to call it a basement. Go into your bedroom here. This faces out toward the back. Nice big windows. Got a baseboard heater in here and a nice big closet. You also have a little linen closet right here. It's deep, right off the bathroom. And then this is gonna open up big time. So we're gonna go up in a minute, but you've got this huge family room here. Recreational space with nice bright windows looking out to the front yard. You've got pot lighting. It's big, like just under 2,400 square feet in this house. I'm telling you, I can honestly say it feels much bigger when you're in here. It doesn't feel like a standard split entry home. So you get lots of storage under the stairs here. I'm gonna go up, nice wide staircase. Now, if this is your first time watching me, or you've watched and followed along, of course, I help people like you every week, so feel free to reach out if you want to look at some homes and talk about new construction or resale or selling your house. I do everything. If you already have a realtor, that's cool too, but just make sure you do have representation because it's free for buyers. You get a nice coat closet here, nice and deep in the entryway, which you always want to see in these split entry homes. In the older ones, you don't see it as often, so it's a great, great addition if you do use the front door. So you have somewhere to put your stuff and not leave a bunch of boots and stuff lying around in this lovely entryway. You can see this nice tile. So we're gonna go on up. This home is staged, so it's a great way for you to see how the furniture could fit. So over to the right, we got a main bath, bedroom to the left, bedroom to the right. We got our living room, dining room, kitchens around the corner, and your primary's right there. Nice open space. Feels so big in here. So there's your main bath. We'll go on here first. Give you a look at the flooring as well. So out toward the front of the house here is a bedroom. Nice and bright, good size. The closet is tucked just behind me here inside the door. See, there's the door going out. The closet is right here. Again, I'm just gonna give you the lay of the land. There's a baseboard heater here under the window. Straight through to the bedroom number 3. There's a linen closet. Into the hall here. And a nice bedroom. Out toward the back of the house. A nice big closet. All right, so I'm gonna work my way back out to the main area. Again, the primary is right here at the edge of the stairs. So we're gonna go on in there. Usually like to finish with the primary, but the way those house lays out, I think we'll do it first. Nice and big, tons of space for a king size bed. Your walk-in closet's here to the right. Your attic access is in here. I'm just gonna come inside, give you the full layout. Nice bright windows. That would be the front, obviously. This driveway comes down. But again, this model, Marchand builds in a lot of different developments. So if Beaver Bank's not for you, but you fall in love with this model like I have, just reach out to me and I will let you know where you can have it and what the cost might be, depending on the lot. Beautiful tiled shower here in your ensuite. I love the flooring as well, the tile. That horizontal. They do have a deluxe trim package in here, okay? So you're gonna see when we get to the kitchen as well, this is not a standard trim package. If you wanna know more about what their options are, please, happy to give that to you. So you've got an electric fireplace here and a ductless heat pump here as well. So again, if you're not familiar with those, they're great for efficiency. They're gonna cool your house in the summer, keep it warm in the winter, and keep your power bills down. So electric fireplace. I'm just gonna back up for a second because this opens up. It's so bright, it's so inviting, it's gorgeous. You've got slider doors out to your deck. They've got a 16 by 12 deck here. Okay. Space, nice big dining room table here, just so you get an idea of the space. A beautiful kitchen. Beautiful, beautiful kitchen. So they have the white shaker style cabinets as well, and they are soft close. Let's see, no banging around. Now, appliances are not assumed to be included in these base prices. Just keep that in mind. Sometimes they can be negotiated depending on the builder or if it's a model house and so on and so forth. So just, if you're curious, as always, I keep saying, but reach out and I'm happy to answer. Again, this is a deluxe trim package that they have here. And in the ensuite that we're in, it was upgraded, an upgraded shower, the tile. Beautiful backsplash here. Nice under cabinet lighting, nice big space for a big fridge and a walk-in pantry. It's right around. I wasn't lying when I said outside, this is my very favorite split entry model, and honestly one of my favorite home models that I've been in, and thus far in my career, which is I'm in year 5. I don't have enough good things to say about it. So if you enjoyed it and you want to know more, my information's on screen. As always, I really appreciate you watching this to the end. Stay tuned for more of my videos, and if there's anything you want to see that I haven't put on my channel yet, shoot me the information and I'll be happy to go show it to you, even if it's a private showing. You have a great day.